Born on January 24th in 76 CE, Publius alias Hadrianus, known to history as Emperor Hadrian, was born. Destined to become one of Rome's most influential rulers, Hadrian would leave an indelible mark on the empire and world history. Hailing from a Hispano-Roman family in Italica, near modern-day Seville, Hadrian's path to power was paved by his adoption as heir by his maternal cousin, Emperor Trajan. When he ascended to the throne in 117 CE, Hadrian became the third of the 5 good emperors in the Nerva-Antonine dynasty, a golden age of Roman imperial rule. Hadrian's reign marked a significant shift in Roman policy. Rather than continuing the expansionist agenda of his predecessors, he focused on consolidating and strengthening the empire's existing territories. This philosophy was most visibly manifested in the construction of Hadrian's Wall in Britain, a massive stone fortification stretching 73 miles across the island's northern frontier. The wall not only defined the empire's northernmost boundary, but also symbolized Rome's might and engineering prowess. A passionate traveler, Hadrian spent more than half his reign outside Italy, visiting nearly every province of his vast empire. These journeys were not mere sightseeing tours. They allowed him to implement reforms, oversee building projects, and connect with his subjects on a personal level. His love for Greek culture earned him the reputation of a Philhellene and humanist, influencing his policies and architectural endeavors. Hadrian's building projects were numerous and magnificent. In Rome, he rebuilt the Pantheon, transforming it into the awe-inspiring domed structure we know today. The Temple of Venus in Roma, the largest temple in the city at the time, was another of his grand undertakings. Outside the capital, Hadrian's villa near Tivoli stands as a testament to his eclectic tastes, featuring architectural styles from across the empire. Even his final resting place, now known as Castel Sant'Angelo, was a monumental structure that still dominates Rome's skyline. Beyond architecture, Hadrian's reign was marked by significant legal and administrative reforms. He codified and consolidated Roman law, laying the groundwork for future legal systems. His focus on defensive strategies and border fortification helped maintain the empire's stability during his reign. Hadrian's personal life was as intriguing as his public works. His relationship with the young Greek Antinous has fascinated historians for centuries. After Antinous' mysterious death in the Nile, Hadrian's grief led him to deify his companion, sparking a widespread cult that outlived the emperor himself. The twilight of Hadrian's reign was marred by the Bar Kokhba revolt in Judea, a conflict that tested the empire's might. Despite this challenge and his declining health, Hadrian's legacy as one of Rome's most effective emperors endured. When he died on July 10, 138 CE, at Baiae near Naples, he left behind an empire transformed by his vision, his travels, and his profound appreciation for diverse cultures. Today, nearly 2 millennia after his birth, Hadrian's impact on architecture, law, and governance continues to resonate, reminding us of the enduring influence of this remarkable Roman emperor.